Okay, so 7.4. The first thing is there are two forms, or two different ways you can write an exponent. The first one is an exponential form, and then the second one is log form. So in exponential form, you say that you could say b to the x equals y, and then if you were to rewrite that into log form, you would say log base b of y equals x. Notice if this were like lined paper, it's log, y, and x are all in the same line with a little bitty b. So the first section, write each equation into exponential form. So we're going from here to here. So basically this little number, the little base 4, becomes your base. Whatever it's equal to becomes the exponent, and then this number goes right there. And that's it. Here, same thing. So I say 6 to the negative 2 equals 1 over 36. You're just rewriting. Rewrite each equation into logarithmic form. So in other words, I'm going from here to here. So I start with log. This number becomes my base. It's always equal to the exponent. And we have that. So the log base 2 of 1/8 equals negative 3. 5 to the 0 equals 1 means I have the log base 5. The 0 goes over there. So log base 5 of 1 equals 0. Evaluate each logarithm. Here what we're looking for is what exponent would take me from 15 to 15. So 15 to what power equals 15? Well, 15 to the first power. Log base 7 of 49. 7 to what power is 49? Well, 7 squared is 49. This one's a little bit tricky. I'm trying to figure out 1/2 to what power would equal 8. Well, notice that it flipped over. It went from a fraction to not fraction. So in order to flip, then this exponent must be negative. So if I have 1/2 to the negative anything, it's going to flip over. The reciprocal of 1/2 is just 2. So basically I'm looking for what is the number here that would take 2 to 8. So I know that 2 squared is 4 and 2 to the third is 8. So because it started off as this fraction, I'm going to say that this answer is negative 3. Basically 1/2 to the negative third is the same as 2 over 1 to the positive third, which is 2 to the third, which is 8. So then that gives me my final answer. So just remember, if it goes from a fraction to a whole number or vice versa, you're going to have a negative there. And last one, to go from 36 to 6. Well, your instinct might tell you 2, but actually 6 squared is 36, but I'm looking for 36 to what power would give me 6. It's like the other direction. So all you do is you basically take this and then you flip it and you get a 1/2. You can also remember that the 1/2 exponent is the same as the square root.